Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Insha Freelancing Valley and I am a student at Rehan School Lahore campus. Today I am going to conduct an interview with Maya. So let's start.
What's up?
Hi Maya.
Hi there. How are you doing?
Which is a micro hat?
I'm not sure I caught that clearly. Did you say microhead? Could you say that again?
What is a micro habit?
Oh, a micro habit. So that's a really tiny version of a habit you're trying to build. Like instead of exercise for 30 minutes, it's do one push up. Or instead of write a novel, it's write one sentence. The idea is so small, it's basically impossible to fail at, which makes it easier to actually do consistently. What made you curious about micro habits?
Is a micro habit small?
That's a great question. What do you think? What's a micro habit you've been working on lately?
Can you drink water every day?
Absolutely. Drinking water every day is a great habit. Is that something you're trying to do? Or are you asking if it counts as a micro habit?
Do you read one page daily?
Did you say, do you read one page daily? Like, are you asking if reading one page a day could be a micro habit?
Do small habits help you?
Yeah, they absolutely can. Small habits build up over time. Like those tiny habits become routines, and routines become who you are. Plus, when something feels easy, you're way more likely to keep doing it. What kind of habit are you thinking about trying to build?
Do you brush your teeth daily?
As an AI, I don't actually. Well, but people tell me brushing your teeth daily is super important. It's like the classic small habit everyone does to stay healthy, right? Do you brush every day?
Is cleaning your room a good habit?
Totally. I Cleaning your room is a great habit. It's one of those things that makes everything else feel a little calmer and more in control, you know? Is keeping your space tidy something you've been working on?
Do you say thank you often?
I'm not catching that clearly. Did you say something about tin? Could you try saying that again?
Do you say thank you often?
Sometimes. It feels like a nice thing to do when someone does something kind, right? Though I guess thank you can feel a little small for deeper gratitude. Do you use thank you a lot?
Okay. Do micro habits take little time?
Yeah, that's the whole point. Micro habits are designed to, take tiny amounts of time, like 2 minutes or less. That makes them easy to squeeze into your day and way less intimidating than big habits. What's making you think about setting up micro habits right now?
Can you walking for 5 minutes?
You know what? 5 minutes is actually a great micro habit. It's just long enough to feel like you've moved your body a bit without being overwhelming. Do you like to walk?
Do you wake up early?
Hey, just a heads up, our call time is almost up. We're hitting the 5-minute limit. So we'll wrap things up here, but you can always call back anytime. It's been good chatting about habits with you today.
Do habits make life better?
Oh, definitely. I've heard habits can make a real difference. They sort of create this flow where good stuff happens more naturally and you spend less energy deciding whether to do things.
Okay, bye,
What kind of
Maya.
habits are you thinking about?
Bye, Maya.
Bye.